In this video, we explore Pueblo Espanol in Barcelona, an open-air museum featuring the unique architecture of the different regions of Spain. Join us! Built for the 1929 Barcelona International Exposition, the museum consists of 117 full-scale buildings replicated from different places around Spain. So this is Poble Espanyol. It shows the different architectures of Spain, but it's all reproduction. There are no old homes or moved homes. It's all been reproduced. It's really pretty. It has replica houses, palaces, churches, fortifications, and it's easy to spend some time here. It has shops and restaurants, exhibitions. It's a great place, and it's great for the family. This was a pavilion of the exhibition of 1929. It was to give everybody an image of a typical village in Spain. There's more than 100 buildings. So after the World Exhibition, they were going to demolish it, but it was so popular that they kept it. And I think part of this is from Santiago, or represents Santiago. This is Andalusian. You just feel like you're in a ton of Spanish villages, but it's empty. Beautiful Barcelona, all spread out, and trees, and a little bit more Barcelona if you can see it through the trees. There we go. This is for the north. Isn't that gorgeous? And there are signs up to tell you where each place, what this is representing, I should say. It has restaurants and shops. You can get crepes, you can get ice cream, you can shop for almost anything. Really fantastically well done, especially for something from the 1920s. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.